Hello everyone. Today we will make program how to subtract two numbers in Python. Now let's start. Go to file menu, click on new. Here I will write the code of Python. So here I am taking num1 for first number. As you know, in Python there is no need to declare the data type. Simply assume it is an integer. As the program is by input user, so I have to convert into an integer. First I am writing the input function for taking the input. By default, all the inputs by input function is in string, so I have to convert it to an integer. Here I am converting it to int. Now I am taking the input of another number . By the same procedure, here is sub for subtraction, num1 minus num2. In Python, there is no need to terminate the statement by semicolon. Here I am printing print. I have given a message subtraction, comma. Here comma is the concatenation operator. With the help of that, you can concatenate message and your variable value. Now I am saving this file. The extension of Python files are sub is .py. Like I'm saving with sub.py. By default, it's py. So if I will write sub, it will save into a Python file. You can see it's sub.py. Now I'm running this program and here is the output. As Python is an interpreted language, so it reads the code line by line. First number is 4, second number is 2, so result will be 2. See. I hope you understand this program properly. Thank you so much.